Oh, there's like
All right. So today we're on the canoe, and so today Trevor's hanging out with his girlfriend, and so
prostitute.
we've been trying to prank him all day. We threw eggs at his window.
That didn't work.
Didn't work. He kind of figured it out. We went to his house.
Played some inappropriate noises outside of his window.
Played some Xbox at his house. He came over, and then he went home because he was gonna hang out with his girlfriend. And so we got on the scooters. Oh no, we stayed at his house and we kept knocking on his window to like make him mad. And then, so he figured that out pretty quickly. And then we got on the electric scooters.
Wait,
and we knocked on his window. We knocked on his window.
Turn to the right.
Wait, we're going over there.
We're gonna dock right there.
So today, we got on the electric scooters and we ding dong ditched his like freaking window. And so
his window is a doorbell.
yeah, we knocked on his window, and so he got mad, and we kept doing it, and we got on the bikes and tried to do it, and he just didn't come outside. So right now we're on the canoe. We're still trying to break my boy Trevor, and so we're gonna break into his house with the canoe. We're taking this to a whole new level. Okay, we're about to bang into the freaking land. Oh shit. Oh. All right, we gotta turn it a little bit.
I can drag it. Is it like a fucking coconut?
It's not coconut, bro. We're in like the middle of a freaking neighborhood pond.
Wait, no, it's a coconut. Nigga, why is there coconut in here?
There's not a coconut.
Yes, there is.
Where?
Wait.
You're about to tip it, bro. Sit down.
Wait.
Oh my god, this kid like doesn't know how to sit on a canoe.
Yeah, I'm pretty sitting Jackson.
Oh yeah.
Look at this coconut.
Where? Wait, is that a coconut? Oh my god, there's a freaking coconut. It's like a turtle.
There's actually a fucking coconut at the bottom. Wait, what?
Canoeing with Jackson, part 1.
Oh, what the heck is this?
Gone sexual. Coconut involved.
Treasures. River treasure hunting.
Alright, boys. I'm hopping out. Okay. I'll hold it, you get out.
Ferrari in the range from the big woods.
Alright. Ryan's hopping out. Look at that thick butt cheek. Get out! Pull your foot. I'm pushing. He doesn't know how to get out of a canoe.
Ugly ass coconut.
Here. Get it.
Kinda looks like David though.
Kinda. Stop. Let me get it.
Oh my god, it's so freaking muddy.
Okay. I'm hopping out of this canoe, boys.
Wait, are you like recording or something?
No, I'm not recording.
Oh really? But I wanna tell you that I have pressure cooker.
Yeah. Don't we all?
Yeah. Oh, we should go to spot out his window. Yes.
Yeah, oh, you're trying to see this video.
This is like that the pond is like Trevor's window.
Okay. Throw the coconut at his window.
Okay, I mean, Jackson, look at this. I'm gonna freaking batter up.
Okay. Got the canoe. We are gonna use that. Alright, guys. Alright, we're gonna go prank my boy Trevor. His dad's like in his backyard. Dude, we're pranking Trevor.
Wait, can I get the camera real quick?
Wait. The canoe's like floating into the water.
Wait, let me hold the camera.
Wait.
I'm trying.
Fishing with Jackson gone sexual.
We should like go to his house.
No, we gotta go up to the kids like fishing and then like mess with them. Like cross their line with our boat. Alright, we're pulling up to Trevor's house. About to like hijack this boy's window. We pulling up, Trevor. Oh, his window's open a little bit. Stop.
Bro, why is there a sock and a fork in his room?